Want to hear yourself live in FL Studio? Here's how to enable mic monitoring in just a few steps. First step, open the mixer and select a track. First, press F9 to open the mixer. Then, select an empty track. Avoid the master track. Now, look at the top right of the mixer. Click on the input selector and choose your microphone or audio interface. If you don't see it, go to Options, Audio Settings, and switch to FL Studio ASIO or ASIO for all. If you hear echo or delay, reduce buffer length in audio settings. Now speak on your mic. You should hear yourself with zero or low latency. For even faster monitoring, use an audio interface with direct monitoring. And that's it. Now you can hear yourself live in FL Studio. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you next time.